You know the vibes. We got Nisi on the track.
All right, good morning, everybody. We are starting the morning real bright and early. I want to get out and get some content for y'all, and I want to make sure that I can get it up and uploaded. We'll try to do same day. We'll see. I hope everybody had a good-ass weekend. Let's fire this young Joan up, get her warmed up to operating temp. Let's go this way because the sun looks amazing. Look at that shit. So what's up with y'all, man? I hope everybody had a really good Labor Day, and it's pretty much Labor Day for me right now, but obviously you guys are getting this later, and I'm just a little hyped. Having the day off is always cool. Hopefully there's not too many people around on the freeway, anything like that, because I might just want to go somewhere. It feels hella good, y'all. It's like maybe 72 degrees or something. Come on, buddy. I mean, it's so menacing. It's so menacing why the sky is red, but it just looks so damn good, you know what I mean? I know I'm gonna have to stop and get some gas eventually, but we just rolling a little bit. Oh, catch the light. Got him! On the freeway. I really hope there's not a lot. Oh, it's damn near vacant. Oh shit, it is vacant. Just a nice leisure little cruise. We ain't gonna do too much at all. Looks like hella people coming back the other way though. Sitting over here. What the hell? This has become such an ill spot because there's so many people chilling over here, and then there's people that walk back and forth across the freeway. It's real sketchy. I've never hit it on a bike. I want to see if the loop is solid. Cats drift over here. I drift over here before. There's an old video that I put up a long time ago, and this was the spot where I was at. Man, all these nitrous bottles, these motherfuckers be down here getting high all whippets. Alright, let me hit it. this bike. I know people be like, look, it's too early in the morning for you to be riding like this. Now as good as any. That was a nice early morning blast. Wake yourself up, get the juices flowing. Oh God, this bike is fast for a 600. Jesus, this thing is quick.